Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the backup source and logging into Cpanel now. Open the Backups or Jet Backup tool because that's where you'll pull files and databases. Once done, make sure FTP/SFTP works so you can upload large archives if necessary. You should also note the site's document root and any custom htaccess or PHP. In I settings, preserving those avoids configuration drift. This first step ensures you can restore files and DB without chasing credentials mid-process. Next, you restore the file tree and database. If you have an archive, extract it into public HTML and confirm file permissions, 775 or 644 depending on folders versus files, so the web server can read them. Then import the SQL backup through phpMyAdmin or use Jet Backup's DB restore and make sure the DB user has correct privileges. Once that's done, edit config files like wp-config. PHP to match the restored DB host, username, and password, because mismatch. Finally, you complete the restore by clearing caches and restarting PHP so new files load correctly. Test key pages, forms, and uploads. Use a browser and curl to confirm responses. If something fails, check the site error log and see panel metrics for clues, and enable display errors only for short troubleshooting, never left on in production. As a single key tip, if the site still breaks, compare htaccess and file permissions between live and backup, and revert those specific files rather than redoing the whole restore.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.